how to slice an onion. In French culinary art, we refer to this technique as émincer. Let's have a look. Peel your onion. With a chef knife, cut the onion in half through the core. With a paring knife, make 2 diagonal cuts, there we go, to remove the core and discard it. Place the onion cut side down on your cutting board, core side away from you. Make parallel cut to the striations of the onion. Then put it down. Make sure you keep your fingertips away from the blade, and as you see, your onions will be separated and regular. So now your onions are émincés. I'm crying a little bit. That's fine, it's part of the job, and they are ready to be used in your recipe.